and there's pressure. Yeah, this is where he launches, goes big, outside edge, and it goes for 4. So the first boundary is at third man as Hinal Patel takes the new ball from the other end.
It takes the aerial route, he's got height, doesn't have the distance. Is Miran going to come around? Aaron George drops it. I think there was always a doubt about whether Vedant Trivedi would go for that catch, or will it be Aaron George who'll go for it?
High balls are never easy, and the communication under the high ball is of great importance, and on this occasion...
Breathe easy. Oh, he connects this time around. Does Hamza Zahoor and dispatches it. That's gone the distance, the first 6 of the match, the first 6 of the final.
Oh, he fares against the new ball. He likes to go big, takes his chances. That's the nature of the boy. And this time he makes a good enough connection, clears the boundary easily. The first 6 of the innings for Hamza and Pakistan.
Clipped away off his pads, and this is going to be 4 more over the mid-wicket fielder. Minhas
is bowling from his favourite end. Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up. All the way. That is an aggressive field in place. I like how they're going for wickets at this stage. That's a very loose shot. And he helps himself to a six. It will be interesting to see where the bowler will test the batsman with the short one. Missed that completely. Long leg in place, the batsman would be expecting some short balls. Oh, didn't have it. Plays and misses.